Ladybugs are not only cute, but they're great garden buddies. They eat aphids, mealybugs, and other insect pests. Here I'm in my garden and look what I discovered. I have a few strawberries that are ready to be picked, and it's just so nice to see ladybugs in my 2021 spring garden. If you're new here, hello, welcome. This is Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden, cook healthy meals, and other favorites. And I'm so glad that you tuned in today, just sharing my ladybug, my blooms in the garden, and yes, look at those beautiful blooms. Onion getting ready to bloom, my chives. So excited. Everything is growing. My onions, there's more onions. Look how tall those onions are. Super excited. I harvested some onion. I'm going to allow a few of my onions to bloom so that I can attract the beneficial insects in the garden, and more onions, and another beautiful strawberry. Wow, one of my favorite things to grow in the spring. Always look forward to growing strawberries. And I planted a few from seeds, so those seeds should be sprouting soon as well. More chive blooms. I love to have a fully loaded baked potato with chives, and I also enjoy my chives in a scrambled egg or in my salads. Yeah, so yep, there's another strawberry. Usually my first year strawberries, I'll just pick the blooms off, and that way the strawberries will be bigger each season. But yeah, I'm just going to enjoy the few that I just picked. And the blooms are so beautiful. Purple chive blooms. Amazing. Well, thank you again for tuning in. Just wanted to share what I'm harvesting today from the garden. Strawberries. The best strawberries you'll ever taste will come from a garden. Basically, fully ripened strawberries have a rich, aromatic flavor unmatched by any supermarket. I highly recommend, if you're a beginner gardener, one of the easiest plants to grow is strawberries. My sweet peas have bloomed. If you're still watching, thank you. My sweet peas have bloomed, and I'm just sharing that with you. It's just so nice walking through the garden and just to see the blooms. Everything's growing nice. All right, so if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, click that bell so that you won't miss my next video. When I wander around in my garden, all sorts of inspiring messages come to mind. And this morning's walk is so peaceful. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. Creation sings your praises, so will I.